Through hostile worlds we march with pride, with the freedom we provide, slowly setting the galaxy free. Our hands stained with justice, our teeth all stained with liberty. From the skies our arms ascend, the freedom that we lend. To these worlds we spread democracy. We charge head first into our problems for humanity. For democracy we die, spreading freedom across the skies. No bomb or no man shall survive. We will break this world with forbidden strikes we sanctify. With stratagems at our hand, we liberate this land. Malevolent greed we all must avenge. If we don't first succeed, then we dive and dive and dive again. We'll set them all alight, their deaths will fuel our might, raining death down by freedom's decree. We must terminate in order to set them free.